These are some of the tiles designs that we produce. They are 23 thick and also conform to ISI norms of transverse crushing strength test of 4 newtons. Properly fitted on a firm base, they can take loads up to 15 to 18 tons. Normally produced in terracotta red, but can also be produced in a cream shade. Wheel and eye design can be produced in two colors at a time. We do keep sufficient stock to effect immediate delivery. The tech line and tech dollar are now mandatory in public places, so the visually handicapped persons can make out the turns and dead end of a footpath. Rubber molded checker tiles. In this category, we offer a wider range in colors. These are produced by vibration method. Hence, they are free from any voids. The difference between the earlier category and this is these are produced in white cement and pigments used are German. Hence, we can have a lighter and darker shades in the product. The round dot tiles are used normally as they are called as acupressure tiles. After production, a chemical wash is given to these tiles and then a final touch of lacquer coat is applied. The lacquer coat applied is not meant to have a glossy finish as some manufacturers claim. The shine wears off within some time. The lacquer is meant to protect the tile from the sun's ultraviolet rays, which erodes the color. Rubber molded pavers are also manufactured in the same way as rubber molded tiles. Rubber molded or flexi pavers are costlier to normal tiles and pavers because of the Rs 630 per bag difference in grey and white cement. Both these items are manufactured after an order is received. Normally, a stock of 100 meters is maintained. Interlocking pavers are just like a child's jigsaw puzzle. You can't take out the centerpiece until you start from the end. So are these pavers, which are manufactured in grey, red and cream colors. Normally 40 M15 is used for pedestrian load, 60 M20 for residential and commercial buildings, and 80 and 100 starting from 30 M to 40 M for industries and petrol pumps and dockyards. The essence lies in choosing the basic good raw material composition and mixed design of concrete. This is the vibration table precast production. You'll be surprised to see how the material is getting compressed, compacted and removal of all porosity, ensuring high strength, as already the pan mixer has given a good water cement ratio. This is the knockdown fencing that I was talking to you about. Both the vertical poles along with the top horizontal pole have slots. The grills are slid into it and firmly grouted with a triangular precast beam on top. All the members were produced in the factory and assembled on site. This site is Bharat Intercontinental Kankona, the Lalit, where a total length of nearly 4 kilometers was erected in a span of only 32 days flat. This is a pan mixer manufactured by us to maintain the optimum water cement ratio to ensure high strength of our pavers. In this hydraulic press, you can see clearly that the top layer thickness is fixed. The pressing is sustained and then the block is ejected is uniform for all the parameters. The machine is fully automated by state-of-the-art PLC and leaves little or no place for human errors caused by workers. The advantage is the operation of the machine in 4 stages, ensuring very good and easily accessible troubleshooting areas.